front of me is OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this OPPO using Bluetooth. Start by opening settings and choosing Bluetooth section here. Now tap on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the chosen one and wait for the pop-up. In order to continue, you need to select pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you need to click on this little icon next to the device, tap on Unpair, and now it's gone. If you wish to connect to it again, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!